Okay, so this how to assign SKUs to aggressive model. This is for any old items that are over 90 days old. You really only have to do this once a month. And Rustum shows you in this video, you're going to go to Seller Central. You're going to download the report that he shows you to download. And then basically, there's these columns where if they have numbers in them, that means you have inventory within this date range. So this is 0 to 90 days old. So if it says zero, there's no inventory in that date range for the product. But as you can see, there's the number one here, which means this is 91 to 180 days old. So this is the inventory we want to start repricing. Anything that's a little bit older, we want to start competing for the buy box so we can get sales. We don't want to pay long-term storage fees. Ideally, we don't want to pay removal fees. It's inevitable that you do have to pay removal fees eventually, but we want to avoid that at all costs. So yeah, this is what we do. And let me know if you have questions about this. The more I think about this, I think some people would appreciate a service where we do this for you. So if you would like us to do this for you, we will charge $30 a month, and you can message us at support@go2lister.com. And once a week, we'll update all these reports for you. And yeah, that's it. Much love. Thank you.